In this short screencast, I'm going to show you how to remove a virtual machine from VirtualBox, and that's just remove it, not delete it. Then move it from one location on my hard drive to in my case I'm going to move the folder, the honeypot folder, from my hard drive on my workstation to an external drive. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is to find out where our virtual machine actually lives. So I'm just going to go to System, and from System I'll go to I'm going to go to General, Advanced, and I can see that it's in my VirtualBox VMs folder, so I'm going to go OK. So I now know where it is. I go over to where it says honeypot in this case, so whichever one you want to move. I'm going to right click and click on remove, and I'm going to remove only. That's because I'm just going to move the machine from one location to another. So I don't want to delete it, I just want to remove it. So I'm going to go remove. The next part to do is we go across to our file manager, and I'm going to go to home and go to my virtual machines, my VirtualBox VMs folder, and I see that I've got honeypot here. So I'm going to right click on honeypot, and I'm going to cut, and I'm going to put it into my Seagate external drive. This could be your D drive, it could be whatever drive it is that you want. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going down to where I've got my virtual machines, and I'm just going to right click, and I'm going to say paste into folder. So that is happening now, and we'll just wait for that to finish. It shouldn't take too long at all. Okay, it's just about ready to finish. It should be finished any couple of seconds. And what we're going to do next is, once it has been completed and copied over, we're just going to add it back into our VirtualBox virtual machine manager console so that we can use it. It's just about done. Okay. That copy has now finished, so it's now, if I go into, this is in my external drive, so this could be your D drive, it could be an external drive. Click on virtual machines, and we can see that honeypot has been put in there. So now what we'll do is we're going to add it back into our virtual machine manager. So to do that, I go to machine, I click on add, and I go to where I've stored it. So in this case, as you know, I've copied it across to my one of my external drives. It's under virtual machines, so I'll go into virtual machines. Honeypot is the one I want, so I double click on honeypot, and I'm just looking for this honeypot.vbox. That's all I need to do is click on that and click on open. As you can see, honeypot is now there, and I can make any other changes that I need. So if I wanted to put it onto another network, I could always put it onto another network, either bridged or NAT network, whatever it is that I want to do. Okay, and that's how you change the location of your virtual machines safely and quickly. Hopefully this has helped.